Okay, it's Sunday, the 16th of June. It's a happy Father's Day to all your fathers out there. And I always say this, happy Father's Day to the mothers that are single with children out there, because you got to play both roles. Okay, hope everybody has a good day. It's a great day outside if you're doing a picnic or beach in it or something. But right now, this is just the heat beginning to build in. Your daytime highs are in, mid 80s south here, and in northern parts of Pennsylvania, the Poconos, upper 70s to near 80. And along the shore here, temperatures are in the low to mid 70s. Not bad. You're at the ocean, you always get that cool breeze. This is going to go different on Monday, but okay, on Monday, as you can see, the 90s are climbing, and they're all the way up here towards Syracuse. They're in the Hudson Valley, all the way down 95 corridor. Allentown, Reading, you're in the 90s. Harrisburg, 90s. Pittsburgh, 90s. The only places that didn't get into the 90s, the northeastern part, I think the Wyoming Valley and Scranton areas could get close to 90. But I think the higher elevations stay into the middle to upper 80s. And as you can see, right along the coast here, temperatures set upper 70s to right around 80, so it's good beach weather. No rain to worry about there. The only rain you're going to get this week, I'm not even going to show you a map on rain. There could be a pop-up thunderstorm or shower, and I mean, there's just a small chance of that happening. It's going to be very dry for the next couple of weeks. Okay, now let's move on to Tuesday. Okay, we get a couple of degrees warmer on Tuesday, 90s in a lot more areas. Along the waterfront here, temperatures are now around 80, a little bit above 80, so getting better in beach weather. In Delaware, as you can see here, same thing. They're in the lower 80s down here. So again, with beach and all, you're pretty good. Pennsylvania-wise, as you can see, it's almost all 90s, except the highest of elevations where you might hang on to the upper 80s. And again, going to get more humid as we go through the week too. On Wednesday, it's almost a repeat of Tuesday, so not much more to say on that. Again, 90s, upper 80s, along the shore, around 80. So it's about the same as Tuesday. And on Thursday, it's a broken record from Tuesday to Wednesday. It's about the same. 90s across the state. As you can look out here in Western PA, they're getting into the mid 90s. I think these temperatures here in Eastern PA, Southeastern PA, they could be a few degrees warmer than this says. They might be into the middle 90s here. And again, down along the coast, you're beginning to get higher. Your temperatures are beginning to climb into the 80s now in some areas there. So it's going to be warm around the beach. Let's see if we can bring this in a little bit. Uh, okay, there you go. You can see it's getting warm. It's upper 70s to lower 80s. Here's some mid 80s up here. Water temperatures climbing also, so it might be able to take a dip into the ocean and not freeze to death as you do so. And here's Friday. Town now the higher elevations in Pennsylvania are beginning to get into the 90s. So everybody's up a couple degrees. Upper 90s out here in Western PA, mid 90s in Eastern PA. Again, around the waterfront, down along the shorefronts here, you're into the 80s now. So good week for beach weather so far. And then we'll take this out to Saturday. Now you're seeing some heat. Okay, this is Saturday right now. Look at all the hundreds. Down here towards Philadelphia, even parts of Jersey, Camden into Jersey, Trenton. Heading back here towards Reading, 100. Down out towards Harrisburg out here, upper 90 to 100 out here. So really temperatures are going to be frying on Saturday next week. And if you're at the shore, again, as I try to bring these in here, you can see it down on the shore. It's getting hot too. It's into the 80s. It's the only place you're going to find cooler temperatures to keep cool be around here. Because if you look, you don't have to go too far inland. It's 99 degrees. It's 100 degrees. So there's a difference of maybe 20 degrees from right on the beach to inland. So it's going to be very hot, dangerously hot. So you need to prepare for this. Um, I'm interested to see how the power grid is going to hold up because we're pulling a lot more energy and we really haven't built anything new lately to try to increase our wattage. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. And again, stretching this model out to Sunday, you can still see a lot of 100-degree temperatures up here from Philadelphia on north up into northern New Jersey. Temperatures are in triple digits there. Elsewhere, it's back into the 90s everywhere else. So this heat wave is going to carry on into the following week. but I'm only taking you out to Sunday. But I would suggest keep cool. All right, everybody, take it easy, be safe, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.